So coming back now to the second visualization, same process. So get yourself into a comfortable position, close your eyes and a few deep breaths. And we're going to go on a little journey this time. So nice and relaxed, you're going to find yourself in a forest, and we're on a bit of a quest because we've seen the bits, or the bit that we're looking for that's missing from our heart, the bit that needs to be restored. So we're going to find ourselves in a forest, and we're going to be wandering around a little bit. It's nice and comfortable. There's lovely light, lots of trees and a nice breeze. And as you walk, you keep looking around. Look low, look high. And there's a bit that's there for you, a piece of your puzzle that's been missing. And as you come up to a set of trees, you can see there's something there. And as you get closer, you get very excited because there it is. So go over and pick it up. What is it? Feel it. What does it feel like in your hands? Be aware of the colors, the textures, the shape of it. Does it have a scent? You get really excited because you have found it. But now we're going to keep walking it to the river nearby, because you want to wash this part. It needs a bit of cleansing. And you can hear the sound of the river nearby and walk towards it. When you get there, you put it into the water so that it gets nicely cleansed. And as you lift it up from the water, it tells you about what it is. It's so glad that you've come to collect it and bring it home. You can feel how wonderful it is to have this back. You feel your heart expand, and as you look down at your heart, you can see it glowing. And you can see the unlit section where the part has been missing. And it's exactly the same shape as this part that you've collected. You bring that part into the spot it fits and feel it healing as it comes together as part of your heart. Feel the glow, and it's melding in with your heart. It's restored back into you. You're becoming more whole. While this is happening, it's also telling you a bit more about what you can move forward in now. Feel it integrate into your heart and give you the information that you need for right now. Now you can come back slowly, taking your time. Give yourself a stretch and a wriggle and open your eyes. And I want you to take that information and what you found and put that all into your journal, in writing or sketching, however you see at the moment, and then we'll come back to doing the next part of the exercise.